Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pinwheel box. It's very similar to the pinwheel envelope that I showed you in the last video, but it's a box, so you can use it like this, or you can also use it as a lid for another box like the cube box. Just make sure that you use a smaller paper for the bottom so that you can easily fit the lid on top. And I like this pattern a lot because it looks a bit like a candy cane. So it's a perfect box to wrap your Christmas presents.
This model is an original origami model that I created. You will not find it anywhere else. So don't forget to subscribe for more easy and fun origami models. Thank you!
To fold the pinwheel box, you need a square piece of paper with a different color on each side. And we'll start with the color on the bottom. First, fold along one diagonal. Mark the fold. Unfold and fold the other diagonal. Mark the fold and unfold. Turn the paper to the other side and fold the square vertically. Mark the fold, unfold and fold the square horizontally. Unfold and form the preliminary base like this. And flatten the model. And now we're going to make a fold here at about 1/3. So you want to fold so that the length of what you fold is equal to what remains. And in fact, we are just going to make a small pinch here. Then unfold and fold the tip down so that you go at the level of the pinch. And you really want to mark this fold very well. So mark it multiple times. Then unfold, open the model. And here we have a square. We are going to make the edges of this square mountains. So push in the middle like this and mark mountains. So you will need to invert some of those folds to mark the mountains. And once you have your 4 mountains, we are going to invert the diagonal folds as well and make them valleys. So to do that, you can take your finger and push in the middle of an edge like this so that you can invert the diagonal fold and fold like this. And you can do this on the opposite side as well. And that way you will be able to flatten the model like this. So let me show you what it looks like. So flatten the model, put it on the table, and then lift one side here and bring this edge to the vertical crease. And mark the fold. Then bring the opposite edge to the vertical crease as well. And turn the model to the other side and repeat. Then lift the model and put your thumbs inside here at the bottom and make sure you hold with your fingers like this on both sides and then while you hold, gently pull on your fingers so that you see a square appear in the center. And once you start to see the square, you can gently push on it to flatten it. So take your time and pull and flatten. And you should be able to flatten completely the square in the middle, like this. Then turn the model to the other side and bring the top tip to the center. And rotate this flap. Then bring the bottom tip to the center as well. And rotate the opposite flap. Then rotate this flap so that you can free this corner and bring it to the center too. And rotate the flap back. And then repeat on the last flap. And fold the last corner. And rotate the flap back. Then turn the model over. And now we're going to fold along this fold here, like this. So you can fold all four sides. And fold the other sides too. Then to form the box, take one of the sides, like this, and rotate this flap to the left. Then lift the other side, and this tip, you want to push it outside, like this. And once it's outside, fold it to the other side. This, then look inside again and rotate the flap back. And now we are going to take this tip and fold it inside, and that will lock the sides, like this. And now the two sides are locked, and you can repeat on the other sides. So rotate the flap, push this outside, and then fold it inside, rotate the flap back, and fold the tip inside. Two more corners, rotate the flap, push this out, fold it, and then open again and fold the tip inside. And we have one last corner. Same thing, rotate the flap, push this out, fold it to the side, and then inside rotate this flap back and fold the corner inside. And your box is complete, and it has a very nice pinwheel pattern on top of it. I hope you like this origami pinwheel box. If you also want to fold the cube box, I will put the link in the description of the video. Thank you very much for folding my origami models. If you fold this box, please send me some pictures so that I can show them in future videos.
Don't forget to subscribe to be notified when I publish new origami videos. It also encourages me a lot to create more fun and easy origami models and tutorials. Thank you very much, happy holidays, and happy folding!